This is a video of my new RC room. I had to expand into a third room. Too many cars. This is my workshop area. Pan around. Some boxes and some car kits still to be built. There's my workbench area where I build some stuff. And then I have a couple of racks of cars over here and a tire break-in section running over the sander there. It's an awesome little setup here. Got that from Turtle Labs. Make these nice metal tool organizers and benches. Kind of portable, you just lift them up. I'm gonna get some cars over here, some tools. Got a dragster, some buggies, F1, oval car, some Euro trucks, some vintage Trans Am, and I just got the new Losi, and I have the mini Mud Boss. So hopefully I'll have a video on these running this winter up at the track. Maybe he's got a new setup up there, dirt flat, and hopefully some 997 raceway action, and hopefully run the new Losis over at Key City Hobby. That's all for now. Thanks.